So they say Jenny wishes to repay a loan of 150,000 by means of 16 equally quarterly payments, starting 3 months from now. Now it makes sense if it's a quarterly payment, you're supposed to start 3 months from now. Now, I want you to be aware of this. If this was not compounded quarterly, and then you start 3 months from now, this is a different question. It's what we call, which it's a delayed payment. So instead of you making the payment immediately after taking the loan, like 1 month after taking the loan, you delay. We do have such questions. Yeah, if it was monthly, yeah. If another person is paying 3 months later, but it's compounded monthly, then that one is a delayed payment, which is a different story. With this one here, what is the question?
So, let's say that Jenny wishes to repay a loan of 150,000.
Yes.
By means of 16 equal quarterly payments.
Yes, yes.
The interest 1.5% compounded monthly.
Or if you are given quarterly here,
Quarterly payments,
and then you are given monthly payment. Yeah, we have a formula that we're using to convert. Oh, we have a formula that we are using to convert. We can convert from quarterly to monthly. You remember, we have the formula I effective. You remember that formula? The same formula that we're using from I effective to I nominal. Remember, there what we're doing is to convert what we have as an annual interest rate to a monthly or to a quarterly payment. We can also, I'll show you a question whereby we can go from a quarterly to a monthly.
Also, the payments that they are the same with the compounded what was.
Yes. Yeah, what we can do is just to change the interest so that it looks exactly like whatever it is that we have.
There's not the payment.
Yes. We will look into that. So here we have T0, and then basically here we have that gap. Remember, if we're dealing with loans, we're going to have a gap. So the gap is fine. It's 3 months. It's supposed to be 3 months because it's quarterly. There's nothing special here. So we are going to tell them that starting 3 months from now, the interest is it's 21%. So interest is 0.215 divided by 4. X, we don't know. But the present value, we know it as what? As 150,000. Calculate what Jane's quarterly payment will be. So number A, what is going to be Jane's quarterly payment? We are saying it's PV, which is going to be equal to X. And then it says open bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of minus n close bracket all over I. And then now we're looking for X. If we're looking for X, we said we're going to start by multiplying, and then we have I and P all over. It's going to be 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of minus n close bracket. And then this is going to be X. And then if you continue with this, you can simply substitute. It says X is going to be equaling to 0.215 all over 4. Multiplied by present value. It's 150,000. $150,000, and then you still have all over. Open bracket, you have 1 minus 1 plus 0.215. 4. And then our n, what did you get our n? 16. Minus 16. What did you get as your answer here?
4, 1, 4.
It's 4.
1, 4.
1, 4. 1, 4. It's 1, 4. 2, 1, 2. 0.35. So what is this? This is the month. This is the quarterly payment that we're going to be making. So these are the quarterly payments that we're going to be making. Are you fine, Yes. We don't multiply the 16 because they didn't give it to us in years. They already gave it to us as quarterly payments. So if they gave it, let's say 4 years, or what, then we're going to take the 4 years and convert it into quarterly payments. So here they already gave us the number of payments that we're going to make. Yes, Hot. Yes. Yeah, the substituting correctly, it's still going to apply. Rapele, yes.
And then the matching quotas. Half at the same month, but the company continues to pay through every month till the end of the month. So anything or anyone.
If the person did what?
I don't know to
Yeah.
Probably 4 years and the last quarter.
Yes.
I'm going to more than get.
Yeah.
So
Immediately.
Yeah. Really.
Okay, we spoke about this. Present value, we don't have an immediate payment, but we have a deposit. Ne? So we are going to subtract it from as a deposit. We are not going to be taking it as an immediate payment. Yes. Yeah.
I decide right now, I'm not going the
Quarterly
loan,
payments.
loan.
Yeah, you take a loan. Yeah.
And then now I start paying the loan 1 month. I end of this month.
Yes, yes.
Quarterly payment. There's nothing new. This.
No. If it's a quarterly payment, you can't start now. You need to start after 3 months. So if it's a quarterly payment, you take the loan today. Ne? If the agreement with the bank is that it's going to be a quarterly payment, month end you don't pay well. You need to pay after what? After 3 months, because it's what? It's quarterly payment. Yes. Yes. Yes.
And then there quarterly payments.
Yes.
So started at month end.
What you can do is this: when you open the account and then you put money immediately, and then you do it 3 months after that. And then you start it. Yeah, well, remember, for us to use the annuities, they said we should have a consistent. Yeah. Yeah, but you remember there are certain things that needs to be consistent. It needs to be in equal intervals. Whenever you're breaking that law of intervals, because if you are doing it month end and then you want to do it after that a quarter, you've broken that harmony. Yes, yes.
Number of payments may affect the
No. You don't add anything. What you do is just reduce the loan. If you are paying 200,000, when you pay a deposit of 50,000, the loan is not 200,000, it's going to be 150,000. The deposit, yes. So guys, number B, they were asking us what was the interest? I think they're asking us what was the interest. No? Number B, they say calculate the interest that Jenny will pay on the loan. How do you get the interest that Jenny is going to pay on the loan? Interest, Jane. Oh, it's Jane. Jenny is making 16 payments. No? Of how much each and of 14,212. So if we want to know the total amount that Jenny is going to pay, we're going to tell them that Jenny is going to pay total amount. The total amount that Jenny is going to pay is going to say that it's 14,212 multiplied by 16. Yeah? Now, what is this? This is the total amount that Jenny is going to pay. Yeah? 35 cents. You know? Yeah, it's a lot. If you say for 16 different payments, 35, it's going to be a lot. So what is this? This is going to be the total amount that Jenny is going to pay. Next, how much is that?
It's 57.
It's 227 397 397,60. Now remember, this is the total amount that Jenny is going to pay. Ne? Now, obvious, we know which Jenny didn't take out a loan of 227.
No.
Jenny took out a loan of how much? 150,000. But she's not paying 150,000.
Yeah.
How do we know that? It's because each and every month she's paying 14,000, but she's paying it 16 times. So what is going to be the interest then? We get the interest by saying that we're going to have 227,397,60 minus the amount that we've borrowed. And then what do we get for that? 77, yeah,
397.
397,60. So this is the interest that Jenny is going to be what to be paying.